Good morning, grade 9 students. This is Miss Nadine. Today I'm going to explain a new section in Chapter 5, Linear Equations, Section 5.3, Slope and Intercept Form, Part 2. Writing an equation from 2 points. What must you know to write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form? You must know the slope and y-intercept. How can you determine the slope of the line? You can substitute the points into the slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So the first step, use the 2 points to find the slope. Step 2, use the slope and the coordinates of one of the points to find b. Step 3, substitute the slope and y-intercept into the slope-intercept form. Let's do an example. Write an equation of the line in slope-intercept form that passes through the points 2, 1 and 5, negative 8. First step, we find the slope m equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Negative 8 minus 1 over 5 minus 2 equal negative 9 over 3 equal negative 3. So the slope is negative 3. We use the slope and the coordinates of one of the points to find b. Y equal mx plus b, m is negative 3, and we use the coordinates of the first point. x1 is 2 and y1 is 1. So we substitute y by 1 and x by 2. 1 equal negative 3 times 2 plus b. 1 equal negative 6 plus b, and we solve the equation for b. So b equals 7, and m equal negative 3. Y equal mx plus b, y equal negative 3x plus 7. Example 2. Write an equation in slope-intercept form, a line passing through 2, 2 and 3, 4. First step, we find the slope using the slope formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. M equal 4 minus 2 over 3 minus 2, m equal 2. So the slope is 2, m equal 2. We use the slope and the coordinates of one of the points to find b. We use the coordinates of the second point. y2 equal 4 and x2 equal 3. We substitute y by 4 and x by 3 and m, the slope, by 2. 4 equal 2 times 3 plus b, 4 equals 6 plus b. Then we solve the equation for b, b equal negative 2. So the slope is 2 and the y-intercept is negative 2. The slope-intercept form of the equation is y equal 2x minus 2. Graphing a linear equation. You can use the slope and y-intercept form from an equation to graph a line. Y equal mx plus b. The slope tells you the ratio of vertical change to horizontal change. Step 1. Plot the y-intercept, then use the slope to plot another point on the line. Draw a line through the 2 points. Let's take an example. What is the graph of y equal negative 3x plus 4? Look at the figure. 4 steps for a graph linear equations. Step 1. Put the equation into the slope-intercept form. It's written in the slope-intercept form y equal negative 3x plus 4. The slope is negative 3 and the y-intercept is 4. Step 2. Mark b, in this case 4, on the y-axis. So we put 4 on the y-axis. This is the y-intercept. Part 3, or step 3, mark a second point using m for slope. Slope is rise over run. So for m equal negative 3, then down 3 over 1 from the last point you marked. And step 4, now this is where I draw the line. The line passes through these 2 points. Example 2. Graph the following linear equation using slope and y-intercept. Y equal 2 over 3x minus 1. Find the slope and y-intercept. M equal 2 over 3 and the y-intercept b equal negative 1. Second step, plot the y-intercept. The y-intercept is negative 1, so we mark negative 1 on the y-axis. Then we plot the slope. The slope is 2 over 3, rise over run, or change in y over change in x. From this point, we move 2 units up, then 3 units to the right. So the second point is 3, 1. The line passes through these 2 points, 0, -1, and 3, 1. For Tuesday, April 28, 2020, please solve page 312, numbers 28 to 33 and 48 to 53. Thank you.